Welcome back everyone to another video. So today, before we get started, I just want to let you know on April 28th, both these two cars, the Accord and the BMW, are going to be showcased at Hot Imports Night. I'm going to put the description down below. Please come out, show your boy some love. I'm going to have some merchandise, I'm going to have some decals, I'm going to have everything for you guys, so that way you guys can be styled up in the Ron Royale merch. But again, I got a lot of cool surprises for the BMW coming up. So many things are coming. I don't want to explain it just yet, but stay up to date on my Instagram. I'm gonna be posting everything on Instagram as well before I upload the video. A lot of amazing things are coming in. I can't wait to share with you guys. I want to keep it a secret. I know I want to tell you guys, but at the same time I want to keep a little bit of mystery, a little suspense. It's been freezing the past few days, so I haven't been able to create content for you guys. So today, it's a beautiful day, not raining, so we're gonna get that squared away for you guys. Just letting you know, I'm super sorry. I was cutting out the BMW, but the camera died, and I wasn't able to show you that footage to you guys. But I do have some clips of bits and pieces up here and there of me cutting, so I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. Again, I'm so sorry that I don't have the footage for you guys, but let's get to it. Guys, this will show you really quick. I'm sorry I haven't been showing this. The camera that I was using just kind of died, but this was the scariest part ever of my life. But got this part done. I'm gonna test it really quick, but I'm gonna see if I need to go a little more or not. But I'm just gonna cut off the liner, and then we should be pretty good. Fellas, went ahead and cut everything up on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and test fit the over fender and see how it looks. Fellas, as you guys can see, I cut off the metal on both sides, so this one's completely done. Cut a little bit of the side skirts so that way it can fit properly, and then same thing right over here. And you guys can see it's pretty late at night, but got all of this side cut too. And then my man Dennis over here, Dennis, show him what you've been working on. So the bumper itself was sticking out a little bit, so Dennis was cutting this piece up so that way it's nice and flush. Good morning everyone. So next day I already went ahead and started cutting, but just to show you guys, the rear quarter panel is kind of similar to the front, but this rear one has two layers. So you cut off the first layer like I did, and then the second layer I made some slits, and then we're gonna hammer it up, and then later down the road we'll tap weld it. But in the meantime, I just want to get it up, test the fitment, see how it is. Sorry guys, the reason why I'm just the only one by myself, so I can't really cut and record at the same time. My tripod is broken, but just to show you guys, got the entire piece cut a little bit on the rear bumper so that way it's gonna look nice and clean. And then the second layer, I did the slits and I hammered it up. And yeah, I'm so sorry guys, I'm getting a little sick. It's like 30 degrees outside and it was just sleeting, snowing, which is rare in Dallas. So this is pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the piece on and see how it looks, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what we're doing now is, after we cut the actual fender, we're using what is called a door edge trim. You can pick it up from AutoZone. It was like 20 bucks. Basically we're gonna put it against the metal so that way when you run your fingers on it, it looks a lot cleaner, plus it's going to cover up all the metal. Cool trick is, if you heat it up, it's going to go on a lot easier. So for the last side, I got all of it cut up, everything is good to go. Just gonna make it nice and pretty, test fit the actual piece and see how it looks. Everyone, just want to give you the finished product of how it looks after mounting the kit. Again, I'm using the Pico clamps. Ordered already the fancy hardware, just waiting for it to come in. But even with it cut, it looks a lot cleaner. And again, I'm gonna have something special coming in for all the slits that I did. But again, overall, like, the car is coming together really well. Again everyone, that's basically it for today's video. Again, remember, live your dreams. Don't let anything or anyone stop you from completing anything you want to do. The only thing stopping yourself is yourself. Please share, subscribe, and like, and we'll catch you guys next video.